welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I installed this Moslander Ikea shelves to use them as my gel polish rack. So if you're interested, please keep on watching and I hope you enjoy this video. So because these are actually picture ledges, they are actually wide for just one polish, so I decided to make room for another row of polishes so that I can have two. But now to elevate that, to make the polishes be visible, not just at the back of the other, I decided to cut this foam from a fridge. It actually came with a fridge, and so I decided to cut that in little strips of the size of the gel polishes so that I could elevate that and put more gel polishes on top of the foam. So yeah, this is me cutting it, and I was just playing around with this idea, but I realized that I actually don't like this so much. This will just be a temporary thing for me. I will get proper wood like your ceiling bend rings, so I'll go to a warehouse and have those cut for me into the perfect size, and I'm going to paint them white and then use that to elevate my polishes instead. So for now, this is just what's going to work for me because I was out of budget. So yeah. And this